welcome to another test of Navigate on Autopilot at the Edge. In this test, we are going to make an aggressive lane shift across two lanes from an on-ramp to an exit ramp not far away. Let's begin.
Now take the Interstate 95 North ramp on the right. In 500 feet, take the ramp on the left toward Interstate 395 North, Interstate 495 North. Now take the ramp on the left toward Interstate 395 North. In 500 feet, take the ramp on the right toward Interstate 395 North, Washington. Now take the ramp on the right toward Interstate 395 North.
As we merge onto I-395 here, we have a long entrance and then a very short time to get over, and notice all of the heavy traffic, which makes it hard even for humans.
In 1,000 feet, take exit 170B on the right onto Interstate 495 North toward Tyson's Corner Center.
Gracie is able to make the first lane change pretty easily with confidence between these two cars. However, the second lane change is stymied by this approaching car that has a little bit faster speed, and Gracie was not able to make the adjustment and slot in, so I had to brake out and accelerate to make the shift myself. The change was clearly doable with a little more aggressiveness. I look forward to future versions being able to adjust to these conditions.